Hey everyone, Scott Lesenby here, and welcome to the Pan Pacific Hotel in Singapore. Yes, this is a panoramic room, so let me demonstrate. And there you go. That's it. Actually, honestly, to be honest with you, I specifically remember thinking good things when I chose the panoramic room. And while the view is nice, I'll show you in a moment, I was expecting more than just one window. I thought it was going to wrap around maybe to this wall or the other wall, but I'll take it. This is the 24th floor, so it's a decent view, which, like I said, I'll show you in a moment. But here is the room. Not a huge room, not a bad room, actually a pretty good room. I've stayed here before. I stayed here 5 years ago, and it was a room a little bit bigger than this. And I don't remember it being quite like this. Maybe they've done some remodeling since then, but overall, yeah, this is nice. Good. No complaints. Everything is very well designed. I like these cushioned, soft corners on the bed here. It's gonna help to prevent from stubbing my toes, even though I don't think my toes are going in that area over there. But you know what I mean. It would have been better over here, maybe on this corner. Speaking of this corner, looks like there is a mini bar in here. Actually, no, that's tea and coffee. Maybe this is the mini bar. No, that is a drawer. I'll show you the mini bar eventually if I find it. That's not it. Anyway, doesn't matter. Got some shelving there, huge TV. You can see into the bathroom, which is nice when it's just you all by yourself. You can be as gross and disgusting as you want. You don't have to worry about offending anybody. And the bed, king size bed, and you know what? That looks a little bit short. Does it? Maybe this way, a little short that way. Not so much. Maybe here is the minibar. As you can tell, I'm easily distracted. Yes, minibar, maybe, yeah, minibar. Don't think there is a refrigerator in this room, but doesn't need it. Even though this hotel is connecting to a shopping mall with lots and lots of restaurants, it would kind of seem nice if there was a mini bar or a refrigerator that you could put your leftovers into. But anyway, here is the bathroom. And as I said, it's all open to the rest of the room. That's glass there if you can't tell. You can see out to the room. And I assume, oh, there is a shade up there you can pull down. You've got a huge tub here, very deep. Might take a bath, got plenty of time. And then the vanity, and then a huge panoramic mirror. Maybe that's what they were talking about. I don't know. Here is the shower. Typical shower, nothing fancy. I hope there is hot water here. The hotel that I stayed in last night, the Crown Plaza, Changi Airport, did not have hot water. So I'm looking forward to a hot shower. And the toilet, very basic, very clean, very simple. So, yes, as I said, I'm a little bit disappointed. What is this? Don't know, don't care. And then here is the closet space and a very interesting robe. This robe is a very odd texture, very thin actually. So that's not gonna keep me warm, but there are two, so I can double up. And slippers, my stuff, and yeah, not a bad room. A little bit disappointed in the lack of the panorama. Let me show you the view. And I believe there's a button here. If I can get to it, there's a garbage pail in my place. Press the button, and yeah. And through the magic of video editing, I'll wait until this goes up. And there you have the panoramic view. I'm not quite sure which way I'm looking. I think this is looking east. And then south down here. And yeah, not a bad view. You can see down there. Singapore is just very, I don't know, it doesn't really have a lot of, I don't know how to say it without sounding mean, but there's not a lot of culture here. I mean, everything is just, it's very clean, very nice, very corporate, very, yeah. Basically what I'm trying to say is that there isn't very much in terms of interesting historical architecture here, but that doesn't mean it's bad. It's a beautiful city. I like Singapore quite a bit. I come here all the time. And yeah, so there you have it. If you have any questions or comments, do leave them down below. I will get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, Coffee Machine, and I will catch you in the next one.